Ever wonder why your stomach growls? You're not alone. It's a common phenomenon. Today, we'll dive into why those sounds happen, even when you're not hungry. Your stomach growls due to a process called peristalsis. This is the movement of muscles in your digestive tract. These muscles contract and relax continuously. Even when you're not eating, your digestive system is active. It prepares for food, which triggers these growling sounds. This can happen after a meal, too. The noise comes from gas and fluids mixing with food remnants. It's a natural part of digestion. So, no need to worry. Imagine a washing machine. It doesn't stop when empty. Similarly, your stomach is always ready for action, rumbling away. In summary, stomach growls are normal. They indicate your digestive system is working. Next time you hear that sound, remember it's just your gut doing its job. Want to learn more fun facts about your body? Hit that subscribe button.